this car gets too much love. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing a couple things. We got a new Serpentine Belt for the Datsun because the one on here is garbage. And we got a rock chip repair kit, something I hadn't planned on doing, but thought it'd be a good idea to kind of show you guys so you don't have to worry about taking it to a shop in case you don't have access to one, can't get to one, you're on a road trip, whatever. This is something that you can do at home or on the side of the road, probably at a gas station, not on the side of the road. Anyways, a semi-truck flung a rock at my windshield today on the Audi and it chipped it, and I don't want it to crack because they're kind of spendy to replace on that car. So we're gonna go ahead and repair it. First thing you're gonna do is make sure that the surface is clean. It's really hard to focus on glass, and everywhere around your chip is clean. Next, you're gonna get out any loose glass and blow it out really well, or if you have to, take a toothpick in there, but don't apply too much pressure because you'll risk cracking it more. Then you're gonna stick your adhesive kind of funnel here around and centered on that crack. And then we're gonna come over and take our resin here. We're gonna take our resin and fill it up to the very top and put our little syringe on there. After you put the resin in there, you're gonna take your syringe and draw a vacuum on it and lock it in place. You're gonna hold it here for a few minutes and wait for all the air bubbles to kind of release from the crack itself. While we are waiting on vacuum to be pulled, we're gonna come over and work on the Datsun, get the Serpentine Belt done really quick. Get that out of the way. It's 2 bolts. It's a 14 and a 12 on the alternator. You just move it aside, pull the belt off, put the new one on. It's a V-band drive, so it looks kind of funky like this. I'm gonna get that done real quick, and then we will go back and finish the chip repair. Let's see if I can't show you how bad this is. Where now, you can see, if it'll focus, each of those individual teeth are cracked. And they are, wow, this is more difficult than I anticipated. They are cracking into the belt itself. And what ends up happening is you crack that belt and you go and you keep driving on it, it keeps cracking, it keeps splitting, and eventually it just lets go. And then your water pumps out and you're overheating, you're on the side of the road. Ask me how I know, because I've been there and it sucks. It's just a little bit of preventative maintenance that helps keep you driving, keep you on the road, and save you in the long run on bigger problems. Now back to this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let vacuum out of this, and by doing so, it'll let that resin kind of flow into it a little bit easier. As soon as I can do this one-handed, let me put you down for a second. So I've now just let vacuum flow back into that. We're gonna let that sit for a couple more minutes, and then it'll be time to cure it. Another good habit to practice is every time you replace the belt, go ahead and watch it. And just make sure that it's moving straight. It's on all the pulleys. There's only 3 pulleys on this. You got the crankshaft, you've got your alternator, and then your fan. And then I've got AC and stuff like that, but it doesn't work, so there's no belt on there anyways. What we're gonna do here is now remove this kind of funnel, and then we will take our resin again, we will pour it in the pit and apply this kind of clear film over it, and that will help cure the resin. You're also going to want to make sure that you're in direct sunlight so that this can cure. You're gonna want to get all the air bubbles out of it and just make sure it's nice and smooth. We are now gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then it'll be done. We'll take a razor blade over it and smooth everything out. So I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Sorry this video was short, just something quick and easy I thought I'd show you guys. But we are in the midst of moving, so that's why you kind of got a shorter video this week. Next week we should have a little bit more of a video. So thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I'll catch you next time.